So here's how to fix this experience is unavailable due to your account setting error on Roblox. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Roblox account. For this, you have to go to your browser and then here you have to search for the roblox.com. Once you are logged into your Roblox account, now here you have to click on the gear icon at the top right corner, then click on the settings. Once you click on the settings, now it will take you to this interface. Here you have to click on the privacy option, and once you click on the privacy option, then here you have to go and make sure that you have disabled this option. If you have enabled this option, then you might experience this error. Here you also have to make sure that you have set these settings to everyone. If you keep the privacy of these settings to only me, then you might experience this error. Another important thing you have to do is you have to again go to the settings menu from the left menu. Here you have to click on the parental control option. After that, here you have to click on this option, all ages. Here you have to give access to each age. Once you do all of these settings, now probably your problem will be fixed. However, if this doesn't work for you, you have to close all of your windows. Then you have to again sign in to your Roblox account. After that, probably your problem will be fixed. So that's how to fix this experience is unavailable due to your account settings.